Hey, what's up everybody? I have a beautiful 1977 Chevy C10 pickup truck. Very original. It has a 454 numbers matching engine attached to a automatic transmission. It's painted in a brown and beige two-tone. Very cool looking truck. A lot of guys saw this in the background of other videos and been bugging me about it. And it is finally available. Had it appraised for $17,500. Got this thing polished and waxed. Real nice shiny brown paint. Take a look at the inside. It's real nice. Nice and clean. There is a rip on the seat right here. And these doors are a little faded. These pockets are a little loose. There's this rust right here on this door. And it doesn't look like it goes too much further there. That's the main rust issue. And go look at the other side. There's little clusters of rock chips on the hood. It's not all over, but these little groupings. Try to get the camera to focus there. These decals are a little torn up in places. Tires are in good shape. Take a look at this door. Not the same issue over there. That hole is just in the door. That's not rust. Yeah, so a little bit of rust on that other door. Other than that, really solid truck. Take a peek underneath here. Didn't get too much light, but dual gas tanks, real nice, especially with that 454. Those are really the main issues I see with this truck. It's not perfect, man, but it's a really cool truck. It could be left as is, or you could totally restore it. You'd be happy either way. Really fun, man. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Thank you. Alright guys, let's get this C10 fired up. Let's check the radio. Alright, send that. Check this air out. Yeah, nice and cold air. Original AC, a little too cold for that. I think that gas gauge must not be working correctly. I'm not sure about the clock, but the other gauges are looking right. Wait for this guy to get out of here. You're on YouTube. Alright. Beautiful evening here in Columbus, Ohio. Alright, let's give her some gas. What do you say? Look at all that open road up there. Ooh, baby, you just got some giddy up. Yeah, this truck's running really good. Well, guys, that carburetor went to a special guy who's really good at what he does, and then it was tuned by a guy who's really good at what he does. Just a solid truck all around.